In this video, let us understand about the working of the goto statement. The goto statement is a jump statement which is used to transfer the program control from one statement to the other statement within the program. And to which statement it has to jump is identified by a label which is passed as an argument goto statement. Let's look into syntax. This is the syntax. Goto is the keyword and it is followed by a label. This instructs that the control has to go to the line where this label is found. So once this line is encountered, it searches for the line where the label is present. So in this line, the label is present and the statement associated with that label gets executed, and all the statements between this goto statement and the statement where the label is present, these statements get skipped. That is, they are not executed. It directly goes from this statement to this statement. So the program control from one statement is transferred to the other statement. This is how it works. Let's look into an example. This is a cout statement where it displays the number 1, another cout statement to display 2. Here a goto statement is encountered followed by a label. Here skip 3 is the label used. This is the label. So this statement is skipped. It is searching for the statement line where this label can be found. So the control goes to this line where the label is found and the statement associated with that label gets executed. So when we run the program with these set of instructions, the expected output would be 1, 2 and 4, because the line cout 3 gets skipped. Once the goto statement is encountered, it goes to the line where the label mentioned in the goto statement. So skip 3 is the label, it goes to this line and the following statement gets executed. Let's look into the flowchart of this goto statement. So this is the flowchart for the goto statement. Here are 3 statements, statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3, which are associated with 3 labels, label 1, label 2 and label 3. These lines with arrows tell the flow of direction of the program control. First the statement 1 gets executed and then it goes to this goto statement, and once goto label 3 is encountered, it goes to the line where label 3 is present and the associated statement, that is statement 3, gets executed and the statement 2 is not executed. This is a sample program to show how goto statement works. Goto is a keyword in C++. It is followed by a label. This label tells the compiler to which line it has to go and which statement has to be executed. Goto statement in C++ is a jump statement which transfer the program's control from one statement to the another statement where the label is defined. But this goto statement is not used very often in programs because it makes it difficult to trace the control flow of a program. In this program, I have taken an integer variable n which is assigned 5. Then the next statement where the label is defined, and following statement is cout n value gets printed here. N minus minus, this is a unary operator which decrements the n value by 1, that is the same as n equal to n minus 1. So here is condition n greater than 0 until n value is greater than 0, that is until n reaches 0, go to statement gets executed, and every time the condition is satisfied, it goes to the statement and prints the n value. Again n is decremented, again the condition is tested, the go to statements get executed, go back to this line, print n value. Same thing continues until n reaches the value 0. Once n reaches 0, 0 greater than 0 becomes false and go to statement is not executed. In the following statement, cout n reached 0, the statement gets executed. So now let's see how this program works. See, the n value begins from 5, gets decremented, condition is tested, go to loop, it goes back, displays n value, it continues until 1, and when n becomes 0, the condition is false, and the following statement, n reached 0, gets displayed. This is how go to statement in C++ works.